Our mission is simple: impact 10 million learners by 2030. We don't just say that, we mean it. 10 million seems like an audacious goal, but here's how we're going to do it. Our time in the classroom sparked a shift in thinking. In what various ways can we impact education for the better? This question led us to 4 pathways, which combined will allow us to attain the 10 million mark. K-12, Education Leaders Organization, Better Learning Podcast, and Second Class Foundation. K-12 is all about learning environments. We know that space has an impact on learning and how students and educators interact. So we set out to provide a radically student-centered approach to the design process. Since 2023, we have impacted over 700,000 learners. At that scale per year, we consider 5 million learners to be an attainable mark by 2030. Education Leaders Organization, or ELO, is the byproduct of a pain point we found in education. The stress and distractions thrown at school leaders make it difficult for them to show up best for the people and communities they serve. ELO looks to provide a place for those leaders to share experiences and learn from each other in small groups and events, online and in person. With the average superintendent turnover rate of 2.9 years, we address the complexities of the job and provide support to leadership. By growing the membership and impact of ELO, we consider 2 million learners to be an attainable goal by 2030. Then there's the Better Learning Podcast. Our stories of the educational experience are endless and facilitates the discussion around change in education. With our current listenership and increased exposure, we expect the podcast to impact close to 3 million learners. Finally, there's the Second Class Foundation. We found the narrative in popular culture shapes people's perception of school. The Second Class Foundation aims to produce and support entertaining media content to drive awareness to the future and the possibilities of the educational experience. With the growth potential of media engagement more powerful than ever, we set to scale this project at 10 times the scale year over year. Using these 4 pathways, we have a clear plan to reach our 10 million goal. But the exciting part is the unknown that we'll face in the future. And each of us will play a role to impact education from these current initiatives, plus any new ones along the way.